I request Saki Chandrayan, President and Founder Director of INBAC Association, to present UL INBAC Standards Cooperation Roadmap for the standards. Saki, over to you.
Thank you, Manjunath, for introduction and the wonderful support that you always extend. Good evening, everyone. It is said that whatever good things we build end up building us. I am Saki Chandrayan, and it is my distinct pleasure to present the Underwriters Laboratories and INBAC Association's Standards Cooperation Roadmap to you. May it be residential or commercial buildings, we all need to ensure energy saving, safety and security, comfort and convenience, and buildings performance. The new reality post-pandemic also demands least possible manual intervention and top-notch cybersecurity. Construction sector comprising of public infrastructure, housing, and commercial real estate development makes up to 1/7 of India's GDP. Commercial and institutional real estate segment is poised to grow to $1 trillion by 2030, third largest in the world. Significant trend witnessed in the commercial real estate segments are driving demand for office spaces, which could be single tenanted or multi, retail spaces like restaurants, malls, multiplexes, and special purpose infrastructures like hospitality, healthcare, amusement parks, and so on. Shift in the current working population who are younger, tech-savvy, and exposed to the global working environments are demanding the working spaces which are comfortable, safe, visually appealing, flexible, and cost-effective all at the same time. Healthy and sustainable buildings are those which create high-quality indoor environment while minimizing its impact on the nature. Building automation industry stakeholders like consumers, government bodies, and solution providers must be supported in the shift from traditional surveillance-based approach towards data analytics-based approach, utilizing high-quality, real-time data without compromising the personal privacy. By extensive adoption and use of international standards in the built environment, considerable savings in time, material, and money can be achieved. Building automation systems contribute significantly towards improving buildings' efficiency and flexibility of use, making the operations easier and economical. These benefits can be realized by ensuring deployment of solutions which are based on open systems, which have the interoperability across multiple platforms, and have future-proof interfaces. INBAC Association and Underwriters Laboratories in this collaborative endeavor shall work together on standardization awareness and capacity building in India in the building automation domain. And this is just the beginning. With the support of all of you here, we will certainly reach great milestones. Thank you.
Thank you. I think I could see Andy and Judy joining. Welcome you both for this occasion. Thank you very much, Saki, for briefing the roadmap, and we look forward for working with you and the Team INBAC Association towards accomplishing the joint roadmap that we have defined, starting with building standards awareness and evolve a standards roadmap for India in long-term as a long-term goal for us, which is the standards which are driven by the industry.